Okay, October RM, I got my toaster oven. You cook a pizza. Gonna test it out today. How well it does. Well, pretty cold morning. So I think, Friday, I'll do some shopping. Have to wait until 2-3 days. Even for a large pizza, so it's a pretty good deal for a toaster oven. Let's see how it's going to cook when I stick it in there. You even cook a larger pizza, fresh pizza will not cook. Medium toast. Pretty much it. I don't know how long it's going to take. Just be safe, I put it in the middle. And I'm guessing at least 30 minutes. I'll take a look at it, see how it's doing. If anything's going to be falling down, I don't know. This side says a toast. Some of these are worn off, so I'm not quite sure what they say. Basic timer. Still need to clean that off a little bit better after. But anyway, medium light does toast even. But today is pizza. See how long it's going to take in the toaster oven. It's larger size, so it does say counter oven, but it's a toaster oven because I could tell by those marks. Typical for a small toaster oven. I might pick up a small one as well. Just do some smaller things in it, but see how things go. See how hot this one gets. Thanks for watching. So it's fully heated. I put it in the middle just to be safe. See how it turns out. Guessing at least 20 to 30 minutes. I'll keep an eye on it. So far looks like it's doing okay. Looking alright, but the bottom could be more brown, so I'll let it go a little longer. See how it's gonna look. Okay, so I should let it cool a little bit. Don't think the bottom's very crispy, but sides are pretty cooked, I think. See how it's gonna be taking it out. Guess that's not too bad. The main question is, can you survive a whole week on pizza? I think you can. Pizza's almost like $5. Depends on how many toppings you buy, I guess. $7. It's about, so you get 5 days, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Plus the weekend, 25, 30, 35, almost $40. $10 over. But you get a little bit extra money, I guess buying pizza is the way to go. If you buy it for $5, then one pizza per day, then yeah, less toppings maybe. I'll have to try to work that out later on, but average pizza is about $5, I think, from the market. Got your Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Plus you'll need to eat on the weekend, so I don't know, 5, 10, 15, 20, about $30 just for the week. Another $10 on the weekend. This is $10 over, but once in a while, if you have a little bit extra money, you could buy pizza. Not all the time because it's a little bit over budget, but thanks for watching.